Hi friends! I'm visiting a planetarium today. A planetarium is a type of theater where you can learn all about outer space. Today I learned a lot about the biggest star in our solar system. Do you know which star that is? I'll give you a hint. This star is so big that you can see it during the day. Do you know which star it is? It's the Sun. Let's learn more about the Sun. The Sun is a star. Like all stars, it is made up of burning gas. It is mostly made up of the gas hydrogen and helium. The Sun gives Earth light, heat, and energy. Without the Sun we would not have a planet. Even though we need the Sun, it is impossible to get close to it. That's because the Sun is incredibly hot. The surface of the Sun is over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 5,500 degrees Celsius. So where does the Sun fit into our solar system? The Sun is the very center of our solar system. Because it is so large and weighs so much, it creates a gravitational pull. The gravitational pull causes all the planets of our solar system to orbit around the Sun. The further away a planet is from the Sun, the longer it takes to orbit around it. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, at 36 million miles away, and it takes 88 days for a full orbit. Neptune is 2.8 billion miles away from the Sun and it takes 165 years to complete a full orbit. For planet Earth it takes 365 days to orbit the Sun. That is how many days are in one Earth year. With Mercury being the closest planet to the Sun, and Neptune the furthest away, where does that leave Earth? The Sun is very far from Earth. It is over 93 million miles away. How far is 93 million miles? If you were to drive 93 million miles, going at a speed of 100 miles per hour, it would take more than 106 years to get to your destination. That would be one very, very long road trip. You might be wondering how we can see the Sun even though it is so far away from planet Earth. It is actually because the Sun is the closest star to Earth. The Sun is just one star in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way is made up of billions of stars. Stars, including the Sun, come in all different sizes, types, and colors. For example, there are red giant, blue giant, yellow dwarf, like our Sun, orange dwarf, and many more. The hottest stars appear blue in the sky, while the coldest stars are red in color. The size of the Sun is over 100 times wider than planet Earth. It is 864,000 miles wide. That might sound huge, but the Sun is actually pretty small when compared to other stars. The star Aldebaran is 40 times larger than the Sun. The star Rigel is 70 times larger than the Sun. The star Antares is 680 times larger than the Sun. And the star Betelgeuse is 700 times larger than the Sun. And those aren't even the largest stars ever discovered. So why do stars that are bigger than the Sun look small in the sky? There are two main reasons some stars appear brighter than others. The first reason is due to a star's composition. Some stars produce more light energy, known as luminosity, than other stars. Think of it like the wattage of a light bulb. Light bulbs with low wattage are not bright, while those with higher wattage are very bright. The second reason is distance from the Earth. The Sun is the closest star to planet Earth, which is why it is the brightest in the sky. The further away a star is, the less bright it appears in the sky. Using our light bulb comparison again. Let's say we have two light bulbs of the same size and same wattage. What happens when one light bulb is moved further away? It appears less bright than the light bulb that is closer to us. The same is true for stars. We've learned a lot about the Sun and stars. Let's summarize what we know. Stars are made up of burning gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. The Sun is a star, it is the center of our solar system. The Sun is just one of billions of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. The Sun appears brightest in the sky because it is the closest star to our planet. The brightness of other stars in the sky is due to a star's composition and distance from the Earth. There is so much more to learn about the universe. I hope you enjoyed learning about the sun and keep reaching for the stars! For a fun interactive game on the sun and stars, go to www.snowflake.live.